It's 128 gigabytes. It's not even 64. And let me show you. This is going to go 150 megabytes. This is your speed rate, your transfer speed rate. That's fast. If you don't know, that's fast. How can we put this into perspective? All right, so you know those old 16 gigabyte cards that used to, just not even so long ago, they would cost $30 and $40 and $50 just for a 32 gigabyte mini card? That's what it would cost. I didn't make the prices up. It's just the truth. In fact, I have one right here. These were the ones that, so the HappyHealer is showing you insider truth just for you. Take it as you may and let it work for you. God bless you and see you soon. This is DroneManticS of the overall LandyManticS brands of passions. And speaking of passions, Passion and Zach, bring in the drones. This is HappyHealer, your Commander-in-Chief of my Mavic drone fleet. I hereby order that you commence at once. Passion and Zach, bring forth the army of the multitude of many Mavics here on DroneManticS. I said, bring in the drones. Ah, that was nice. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the program. This is DroneManticS. I am the HappyHealer, and we have a wonderful one for you. 128 gigabyte card. This is made by Lexar, one of the best, which is a professional grade card, and all for less than $25. You don't want to miss this. Check it out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just take a look here, folks. This is coverage of my Mavic 2. Yes, the HappyHealer has accidents too, and I told you, I have so many experiences. I plan to bring to the screen straight for you so you can learn from my experiences. And boy, do I have them to share with you. You are going to enjoy the insight you get from the HappyHealer. Ooh, just look, ouch! Oh my goodness, and it looked like it missed it just for a moment, and then bam! Hello. It is your HappyHealer, and let's go. I have a great deal for you today. How can I not show it to you in my own wonderful HappyHealer way? This is DroneManticS. Next up, the SD card. Let's go. Alright, let's get right to it, and poof to the computer. Here we are. Take a look at what we're getting ready to do. We have Amazon up for purchase. And what we're getting ready to do is we are going to make a purchase for 3. And I'll tell you what, it's not often I go out that far. Is 3. Okay. 3 of... How can you even pass these up? Folks, the HappyHealer is going to bring you the special deals. And I just know you're going to love it because for the price, which I have a link for you in the description, you just can't go wrong. It is 128 gigabytes, 150 megabytes of download speed, read-write, and it is just an outstanding Lexar professional card. It is literally $55 off of their normal price. There is a limit of 3 per person, so get yours while they last. They are still live on Prime for the rest of today, I do believe. And so go get yours now and spread the word. And here on DroneManticS, those special deals are going to be so great for you, because those deals are going to allow you to save money on the accessories for your drones, and the HappyHealer is going to make sure to tell you what works with drones, because he's been through all of that progress. He's already been through the trials and errors, realizing what works and what doesn't. He's going to show you all of that stuff right here on DroneManticS. So today, let's make no mistake about it, it is all about SD cards. Today it's about SD cards, and we have the best, Lexar. And we have 128 gigabytes with 150, it's very fast, 150 transfer speeds, megabytes of transfer speed. That's all great news for the photo enthusiast, for the film professional. That is great news. So go pick yours up. It is right now on sale for an unbelievably cheap price. unbelievably. $24.99. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Don't be one of those people who waited and lost out on this deal. I'm telling you early, and I'll always tell you first. Right here on DroneManticS. I'm the Happy Healer. Let's do this. Let's get to the computer. We're going to finish this purchase out. Boom, chugga-lucka, bang, bang. Place your order, and let's get this done. Let's get it done. Let's just get it done. I chose my shipping. I'm just so happy because now I can create so much art and just not have to worry. Just not have to worry. So my order's been placed and I'm good to go. And I really suggest you guys should do the same thing. If you want a high quality SD card, Lexar Professional is going to be a pretty good choice for you. And the Happy Healer is also going to receive these cards. He'll do a follow-up, just to follow up on these cards and let you know. And the Happy Healer is also going to do a follow-up review on these cards after they arrive and let you know exactly how they turned out. Just like we are doing with those blades, and those blades were no good. I would not recommend getting those blades. So this is DroneManticS, and we shall see you soon. Thank you. Take care.